Hey guys, this is Caleb with Stain and Seal Experts. We're a big believer in fence armor, and we're a staining contractor here in Middle Tennessee, and we're a stain manufacturer as well. And we just stained this fence with our sable brown. It's going to get fence armor here after the stain dries, but I wanted to show you something that we completely missed. This is an upsell when we missed it. Check this out. So we've got a newly painted deck. We didn't do this. The homeowner did it, or they hired someone to do it, but it's a brand new paint job. I mean, it looks maybe 2 weeks old. The yard's been mowed probably 2 times in 2 weeks, and the bottom, we've already got damage to those posts up there. So look at that, all the way around, right there, there. So really, we've missed the upsell on this for fence armor. I think black fence armor would be a great fit right here, and it would keep this stuff from happening. So if you're in the staining world, painting world, contracting, fence building world, if you're a deck builder, I think fence armor would be a good option for you.